What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who don't back with another video. I think I've kicked with your boy Q today, guy. I got a special one for y'all. Y'all know this guy right here. It's been a while. He been disappeared on, but he done popped us.
What's up, man?
Man, y'all probably, yeah, so it's your boy D Mills, man. D Mills back on the scene. Y'all probably wonder what I'm linking over D Mills on first. Actually, tell him, bro, you do roofing business,
yes,
which
sir.
is why D Mills is over here with me right now. He's actually working on my home right here behind me. As you can see, they just got the roof done. So tell them about your business real quick, man. They looking to get your roof done.
We work with all insurances, cash bid as well. We're located in Aubrey, but we're all over DFW. Just like with Q, he needed his home sold. Final inspector came in and said that, you know, there was hail damage. How quick was the process with me, man? You talked about it last week.
Yeah, last week.
Had it, boom.
Yep.
You know, so we try to be as efficient as possible. We have 11 guys out here. It was already stripped by 7:45 in the morning.
Yeah.
I mean, we're done by before 2 p.m.
Yeah, man. So they was out here quick. They was out here early, man. My neighbors like, man, they was out here like at 6:30 in the morning getting to it, you know. So, but anyway, man, what's the name of the company? They got Instagram, anything?
Fire Roofing and Solar. We have Instagram, Facebook. We're Google 5-star rated.
Yep.
So, yeah, just check us out. And if
I'm
you
sure
need
y'all
anything taken care of.
On the shirt right there. There you go. Yep.
There it is right there.
Yeah, on the hat too. Go ahead, show that. But anyway, yeah, y'all definitely check them out for, I mean, y'all pretty much do everything, man. Just check them out, guys. So they did my fence, they did my gutters and all that stuff. So anyway, guys, but y'all see probably can peek what's peeking back there. That's what, y'all see that thing peeking right back there. So what D Mills then popped out with the brand new joint, man. So come on, man, what you got? So you got rid of the F-150.
Got rid of the F-150.
Everybody know the famous great F-150 that you had. That thing was freaking beautiful. Y'all probably.
5.0 is no longer. RIP.
So man, tell them what we got, man. What we looking at right here? I'm coming this. What we looking at? Sheesh.
2024 Denali HD. Bought it from Louisville, so everything you see on it, it's a bought, not built. You know? But me and you, we built trucks.
Man, yeah, you know how it goes,
like
man.
Doing it. I like someone that I know is quality that's gonna take care of it. And they did everything that I thought I would do to it.
Yeah.
Got the FTS lift, 4.5, and I love FTS because it actually has a true 4.5 lift.
Okay.
We got the American Force Frost.
Yep.
And
go ahead.
They do.
Yes, sir. They do spin. They do spin. That boy, this boy is hard.
And then they murdered out everything, man.
Yeah.
They murdered out the emblems. They murdered out the lights.
I'll give y'all a look at it right here.
It's a little dirty, but you know.
Nah, it's black, man. Black is always clean, bro. It's always clean. And then what tires we on?
We were actually on Toyo MTs, 37 13.5s.
Yep, 37 13.5, 24s.
Got the Fox coilovers in the front.
Yep. Y'all see it up in here thing.
In the back. Gonna add not a lot. Maybe do some rock lights.
Yeah.
Maybe do a flush bed cover.
Yep.
And do some coil rear reservers in the back.
Gotcha. Yeah, and he just got this thing, guys. He had it literally, what, 3 days, 4 days,
Man,
maybe?
I got this Friday.
And today is Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah. So he haven't even had a week yet, man. How you liking this so far? Man. Going from this to the Ford, big difference. Did you have 5.0 or?
Yeah, I had a 5.0.
5.0.
So I had a pretty solid lift on the F-150.
Yeah.
It was a 6-inch, but it was raised like 7.
Yep.
But I mean, ride comfortability, there's no comparison. Like,
yeah.
I'm riding pretty high on this one. This thing's pretty big. I'm 6'3".
Yeah, I'm 6'2". Yeah. This thing is tall, guys.
I mean, this thing, I'm going 70, and I feel like I'm going like 40. It's
what?
Smooth ride.
And it's a diesel, if y'all wonder. It is a diesel. I say diesel. He said diesel. Dirty Max 6'6". 6'6" Dirty Max, guys. And I'll just show y'all the kit. Show y'all the kit, FTS right there. Now, let me ask you. I was going to ask you this. Did you look into the new Ford, or you sold on this? I know you and I talked briefly about it.
When I went to Louisville, I was going to look at this King Ranch 2024.
Yep.
And I was like, man, this is a badass truck, and I've always liked Ford, always had Fords, but I don't know what happened, man. This thing just drawed me to it, and I was like, hey, can we test drive it? And he was like, sure, let's go for it.
Yeah.
I mean, I was in and out. If y'all ever need a nice experience when it comes to car dealership, shout out Louisville Autoplex.
Louisville, yeah, I see that stuff on Instagram all the time, man.
2 hours. And that's with me looking around and the buying process. I was in and out. They do not try to hassle you.
Yeah.
They are great. So I definitely will be buying my next truck from them.
Did you test drive the F-250?
I did.
You did. So you just like, so what I hear from my opinion, from what I hear and reading, because guys, y'all know I'm looking in the market as well. I hear these are better. Is he on the phone?
They can talk to me.
He said they're gonna repo your truck?
I guess so. I don't know.
Do you know him?
I don't know him at all. Hey.
Hold on, let me stop the video.
Was that my financial advisor?
He said they're gonna fucking repo the truck. Hold on real quick. was funny. But anyway, what I was saying before D Mills just got told to go repo his truck, it was that I hear daily driving, the GMCs drive better than the Fords. When it comes to performance, that's where people say the Ford kind of wins out overall, right? Right, exactly.
I definitely see the F250 being more superior.
Yeah,
so.
yeah, that's what I always hear, man.
Comfortability,
yeah.
Like, man, this thing is, it rides like a cloud. I mean, don't get me wrong, I tried the F250 and it rode really well too. It's just, look at that, man.
Yeah, this thing, bro. It now looks. This looks way better than the new F250.
Yeah, I agree.
Way better. Like the new F250, bro. I don't know what the fuck they did, but this is terrible, man. They just the front. Now I have seen it a few times where it looks okay on the front end, like when he put some wheels on it. But just at the factory, this right here, this thing just looks killer. You mind unlocking to see the headlights real quick? Like the headlights on this joint. And we're gonna take a look in the inside here in a second, but look at the headlights on. Look at that, bro. Like, how the hell? Look at the fucking startup sequence. I ain't know that, bro. Jesus, that is so nasty, man. I mean, just the emblem, the hood scoop is functional. It just looks mean as hell coming down the road, bro.
Really, man, that's the reason why I went for it. I was like, man, exterior-wise,
yes.
Which one looks better? And I was like, this one. 100%.
It does. I agree 100%. And then if we can talk about the exterior, I know a lot of people say the interior of the Fords is better, but actually, man, this thing is freaking dope as hell. You want me to go on the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah, I go on the other side. You were saying you agree that the F2, you can start it too to keep us cool.
The F250 is still superior on the interior.
Yeah.
I do. I will say that.
Okay.
So,
but look at this thing, guys. Look at the start button. Look at that. You know, the screen is freaking massive. You might turn the airflow down just so the wind on the mic. But yeah, guys, this ain't gonna be too long because it's hot as heck when we trying to do a video for y'all. But oh yeah, music too got to be down. All that, yeah, you know, YouTube stuff.
Yep.
But anyway, man, this screen, guys, is freaking massive, bro. Like, I don't even know how big it is, but it's massive. It's like the size of 2 iPads. Is what I would look at.
I mean, I wish it was a little bit higher. This direction, but I've gotten really used to this.
Yeah.
So I'm actually really enjoying this. Call him back later.
Oh yeah. Jay, we call you back later, man. We got a video going. And then you got full digital dash.
Yeah, full
digital cluster up in there, as y'all can see.
I don't know if you can see the HUD, but
I'm trying to get it.
Display.
You see it coming through maybe on the camera? Yeah,
I don't know.
I don't know, but it's a huge heads up display too. It's not small, it's pretty damn big. You can see everything. But I mean, it's push to start, dual AC. I mean, it's fully loaded. It's a Denali, man. Like some nice wood grain. It's like faded here. I like that. Like the smoke fade. You see that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. Got the wood grain. I mean, looking to the back, this thing is freaking player, bro. And the seats, Denali on the seats, as y'all can see.
You know what? I know Ford still has their, their sunroof, but man, I've heard too many bad stories.
Right.
I'm not gonna say everything. I'm not gonna bash Ford.
Right.
I still love Ford.
Yeah.
But I'd rather have a functional sunroof that's not gonna leak than have this badass looking roof that I'm gonna have to pay $4,000 later on for.
Facts. So, me and D was talking about that earlier. I was saying I do like the panel on the Ford, but Fords are very prone to leak, guys. My coworker just had his repaired. It was like $4 grand just to get his repaired from leaking. I think he got stuck or leaked, something like that. But anyway, guys, so I mean, honestly, this thing is freaking gorgeous, man.
System.
Yeah, y'all.
So we got the Bose over the B&O Ford. So I will say this one is better.
Yeah.
You heard it a little.
Yeah, we can let it hear a little bit. Just turn up. You can like for a few seconds, like 5 seconds. Turn it all the way up.
What we gonna jam? What we gonna?
Man, put on Taylor. No, I was about to say Taylor Swift. Let me put on. Put on some Morgan, man. What you listen to? Put on whatever you listen to.
Everything. I listen to everything. Yeah.
I will say, and from what I read, the Boy sounds better than whatever system they got in. What they got in the Ford?
The BO, like B&O or something like that.
Yeah, something like that. Anyway, but I hear this is better from what I hear. You know, a lot of people say the Ford seats are more comfortable than the Denalis, the GMCs, whatever you want to call it. But actually, me and D's a big guy too. How much you big by what,
6'3", 215?
Yeah, so he's a bigger guy. I'm almost 300, but I actually like the firmness of the seats. I feel more supported. So what were you saying?
So I mean, from what I heard and my experience was, the Fords definitely have a bigger cab.
Go ahead.
They have a bigger cab.
Yeah.
But like with these, man, like with what you were just saying, it's got a lot more support for us bigger guys. Like it's built for comfort. It's not built for width or space. It's built for comfort. And
Gotcha.
That's one thing I can definitely say is like it like molds to you.
Yeah.
Like, it's actually like the more I drive it, the more I like feeling even more comfortable driving in the seat.
Did you say it had like memory foam?
It has something like that to where it'll kind of tell, like if the way you sit in it, it'll like say user 2 is, something like that. I could be talking to my ass.
We don't know.
We don't know.
But like I said, he just got the truck like 3 days ago, man. So we're gonna let y'all hear the system. It's a sound. It's a good sound system, man. Just what's this playing right now? Just turn it up. like surround sound like. It's a really good sounding system. It's a really freaking.
It can get loud, but it doesn't get all like scratchy.
Yeah.
You know, all those stock radios to where you're like.
Yeah, it's cutting out like.
I'm full blast and it's still sounding perfect because it's got built-in tweeters and everything like that.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Man, yeah, it sounds like a surround sound system. Oh yeah, right here. I see it right there. Okay, nice. It's nice sounding clear, like you said. A lot of you cut it, it still keeps the quality. Is what I'm trying to say.
And you know, if you're somebody that actually tows.
Yep.
You know,
the mirrors. Yep.
Well, shit, everyone does that one. But,
he just got the truck, guys.
They extend.
Yeah, there they go. That's player. Look, I'm gonna show y'all. Then he goes. You can bring it back. Yeah, that's player. That's player right there. That's dope, man. The tow mirrors look good on the 250. I hear everybody keep saying put tow mirrors on my 150. Did you have tow mirrors on your before? No, I don't.
Almost did.
You almost did.
Man, I'm a poser. If I
yeah, just get the 250.
Just get the 250.
Yeah, I just like the. I don't personally. I know guys who do it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I personally just like the look of the stock mirrors.
I've seen some F-150s with some solid lifts on it that look great with
Parker's.
Yeah,
Parker looks good. Yeah, Parker look good with his. And I gotta say also, I noticed they got the review.
Yeah,
thing up here.
Thing is awesome. I love this.
I actually just put one of these in my truck, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I just put one in there, man. But this looks a better. You can tell it's more factory.
If I need to see anything in the back.
Yep. There you go. They see you. Say what's up. Use it. Well, anyway, guys. Yeah. So I had something else I wanted to say about this thing, man. But if I'm forgetting something, guys. Oh, your tent setup. We was talking about this earlier. It looks like it's tinted. It is tinted for sure.
Tinted.
It's tinted for sure. But I think
it's definitely tinted.
We're not sure on the shield.
I would say my windshield's probably around.
I think.
What,
40? It's either somewhere. It's either 40? Between 35 and 50, somewhere in there.
The front is 5, but the back is black.
The black might be double 5 back there.
And in the back window, you can't see anything.
Yeah, man. So. This thing is playing, bro. Y'all. And so, are you coming back on social media? Or just thinking about it? I know you got real responsibilities now, man.
The username is actually on there now. So email66. I'll keep y'all posted. I'll keep posting.
Yeah,
so.
Yeah. I'll definitely drop it there. Y'all, most of y'all probably follow him anyway. I'm sure. Just from our interaction in the past when we was out about with the truck stuff, man. So
doing hood rat things.
Yeah, but anyway, I didn't show y'all down here, man. I mean, this dual AC.
Got the wireless cart.
Oh, it got a wireless charger right there. I actually like it, but most people put it here.
This is pretty cool.
Oh, like a hidden compartment. That's where the pistol be. The blicky. The blicky gonna be at. You feel me? Yeah, this thing is player, man. Congrats again to you, bro. This is dope to see to come up. I mean, you always killed the game, even with the F-150. Now you even took it to the next level. You do want to tune and delete it, right?
Oh man, that's coming. Yeah, that's definitely coming. I mean, it just performs better. Yeah, and it gets rid of the def and all this other stuff. But
I hear it's expensive on these trucks.
Huh?
I hear it's expensive on these trucks, like $8 grand. Yeah, 6 to 8 grand to do it. Hey man, you might take a block around the block.
Let's do it.
I ain't never rode one of these things, bro. And it's tall. We gonna go by red here, and I just want y'all to see the level. For y'all who have seen red in person, y'all always say it's bigger in person what it is. I remember D Mills' old truck was so dang wide, you couldn't even see nothing behind you. Much taller this truck sits over my truck, bro. Like, his mirrors are like towering over my mirrors, bro. Like, it's almost up to my roof. You know what I'm saying? Well, anyway, guys, we're gonna take a quick around the block, man. When you took off earlier, this thing kind of got up. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah.
I don't want to ruin the homeowners here. I like to get some business here, you know?
Yeah. Hey guy speeding down the street, this build black truck.
Well, repo
it. Man, this thing is smooth. Does it rub? No rub right now.
Only way it rubs if I was like to turn on like some kind of hill.
Gotcha.
Like, but other than that, I've done full radius, everything.
Gotcha.
So I think me and you. 24 by 12. So.
Yeah. 20. Yeah, that's and honestly, guys, like I just took my 12 wires off, bro. 9-day difference with 12 wires. It just rides so much better.
Smooth.
I'm getting old, man. I'm like this 24 by 14 life. It looks good, but
riding on a cloud.
Yeah, this we getting old, bro. We want comfort now. we just want comfort. You can just go straight, man. But no, this thing is freaking gorgeous. It's just so dude. This thing freaking hauls, bro.
Torque.
It does, man.
Torque.
Your first diesel?
This is my first diesel.
Are you nervous about it?
Has been popped.
Yeah, he said. I heard once you go diesel, you no go back.
Bro. Nah, I'm never gonna go back. Never, bro. Never. No way.
This thing is. I can instantly just feeling it, seeing it sitting in the truck. I see why I would never go. Yeah, once you go up, you never going back down, bro.
The thing is you can put on these kind of lifts and not even feel it. You know, like they're meant for like a heavier duty truck. So like when you saw the lift I put on my F-150. Yeah, it looked awesome. But that ride was bumpy.
Riding on bricks, huh?
Yeah.
I already know, man.
Ripping CV axles left and right.
Oh yeah, you sure did. Every time, like, hey, you going to truck meet, man, my damn axles broke again. My axles ripped again. So, but yeah, no, this thing is split. I ain't even show them the screen, man. How responsive it is. Oh, damn! Look at all the cameras.
Like, man, if I really want to be cautious.
Wow, bro, that is dope.
Yeah, man.
That is dope. That's cool, man, and it's helpful. Like,
hell yeah, it's helpful. I ain't trying to scratch these wheels.
Scratch these wheels, you feel me? Dang, I know. I have seen videos. I've been looking and researching this truck, man. It's a good. I really want one of these. To be honest with y'all.
Yeah. I remember you talking last year. You're like, man, I'm leaning more towards the
GMC.
And I was like,
bro.
Nah, bro, don't do that. Get that 250.
Nah, man.
And now I'm like, I've converted, man.
Yeah.
I guess some people, like our Ford guys, I converted to the dark side.
Yep.
So, you know.
Literally, this bitch is blacked out, bro. Literally, the dark side. Like Batman rolling around this joint. But actually, bro, I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I'm thinking about. I'm leaning towards dually, bro. I really want a dually.
That was one of my biggest things. Man.
Yeah.
It's just like, do I need a dually?
Do you need a dually? Right,
but I'm like, I don't care. I don't need a diesel.
We don't need a diesel either. I mean, honestly, we don't really need a lot of stuff we have and want. So it's just, it is what it is. But anyway, guys, man, hey, appreciate you showing me around, bro. We got to do this real quick for y'all. I appreciate them taking the time. I didn't show y'all the back of the truck. Like, I guess I could walk around the back real quick to show y'all. Y'all know. Y'all know. Yeah, we can hop out. Y'all know what the trucks look like. But if you don't, it is tall as hell. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It's super tall. It got that nice little diesel-like little sit to it. You hear that? Hey, I forgot to ask you. So it's just a Ford front, stock in the rear, right? It got a little, it got a little lean to it, a little nose high. I like it. It's perfect, honestly, in my opinion. But
if I was to put a block back there,
I don't want the level look. I like this. This looks right, bro. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. It's sitting perfect, in my opinion. But yeah,
a little lean and that's it.
Yeah, a little lean to it. And it got the exhaust down here, y'all can see, and all that. Of course, got the multi-function tailgate. They blacked out all the emblems on the back. I mean, oh shit, do it go up on its own too? That would be dope if it did.
Shit, I know, right?
It don't, but then, this thing is tight. I said tight. I ain't heard that word tight in a long time. But anyway, man, I see I know. They got the tail lights tinted on it. They did a great job. And what he was saying is Louisville Autoplex right here. They got it on the tag, y'all. Louisville Autoplex. Look them up on Instagram. But anyway, guys, y'all go follow D in the new truck. I don't know about build, but it's sitting right. It's perfect. He may say he might do a few things to it, but nothing much from what it is. Now, he's working, man. He's driving.
I say that.
Yeah.
I say that, and then shit, next month you might see 26 by 16. Who knows?
But these trucks, I know these trucks can handle 14 wides easily, you know? But you say you had to go higher if you did do that.
I would, yeah.
You would go higher.
I'd probably go with a different lift. I wouldn't like stack it.
Right, yeah. But anyway, guys, my GoPro keep dying, man. But anyway, again, go follow D. There he go right there, new truck. But anyway, guys, that's all I got. Hey, appreciate you again for doing this, bro.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, yes, sir. Always love. Appreciate you, man. Y'all go check it out. Yeah, absolutely, bro. And y'all, again, go if y'all need some roofing, fencing, anything like that. Empire Roofing. We talked about it earlier. Sure. Solar, what is it?
Empire Roofing and Solar.
Empire Roofing and Solar. Y'all go check him out. But yeah, man, that's all I got. Thank y'all for watching, man. We'll catch y'all next one, man. Hey, say peace. Y'all might not see this man for a long time, but yeah, y'all say peace out to him. Yeah, for real. All right, y'all catch y'all next one, man. Peace. Later.